You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at the mobile TV game system. It's a plug-and-play controller that we can use on a television and we can play some games. It only comes with 15 different games, so that's not a lot. And when we're looking over here we can see that it has, I must say, a couple of homebrew games. Oh boy, I have seen a couple of those on my NES system I've reviewed here on the channel. So let's take a close look in the inside because I am already curious how will it look in the inside and what are we going to get. So we're also going to do a teardown. How do we get it out of the box? I can't get it out. I do. Ooh, we're also going to get a SCART converter. That's something you don't see every single day. Why do I get the feeling this thing is just brand new? I picked it up secondhand from the marketplace over here. I went in buying spree, buying every single weird device I could find. The Spectrum TV game. So this is the official brand. Spectrum. 15-in-1 plug and play. So I don't know which company also make these. I know, like Spectrum, I never heard of it. But I'm also curious, when will we find many of these devices back on AliExpress, because someday they will may copy them. Not going to use this one, but what you're going to get is a very clunky controller, and what I find very strange, you're going to get two arrows over here. We're going to get the circle and the square. Select start, a very cheap D-pad, the on-off switch. Here we have the Spectrum brand. Cable is just an old school cable, very long. Oof, feels like a very cheap sturdy cable. Let's get myself the screwdriver for opening it up. I do have the wrong screwdriver in my hand, but doesn't matter, we can remove the screw. How can I freaking open this thing? That's always like the question. Come on. Here it comes, here it comes. Oh no, it doesn't. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is just a freaking nightmare. Like, see, that's the things, like normally we're having this valve that we can change, but I can't get it out. Oh, I give up. Finally, I got it open. Like I say, I needed to use a screwdriver or something to pry it open. There's a very thick piece of plastic, but like an epic fail, if you ask me. If you cannot open it up very easily. Okay, so the on and off switches over here. Is there an indication or such kind of? Yep, we have an LED indication over here. Let's put it back together. Alright, that closes very well. Okay, so let's plug it in the television and let's see what are we going to get with this. Alright, so let's turn it on. Okay, it says in Dutch. Okay, we're going to do that again. So it says in Dutch an email and a phone number, so you can basically send them an email for more games. Okay, let's try that again. What the hell? So you need to fill in the form and that came with it, and then we can just get some more games. Alright, so we're having Pong Pong, Wonder Rabbit. Oh boy. So let's start with the first one. Pong Pong. This is Pong Pong. What is Pong Pong? I have no idea what kind of shit this is. Oh, the driving game that I have seen before. I have no idea what to do. Like, do I need to go into this hole and I'm getting back out? So what's the point of this? Oh, it's more a bumper car game. Ah, okay. Weirdness. Okay, reset button. Oh, every time it shows this. Intro, Wonder Rabbit. I say they sound kind of funky. Okay, so this rabbit that spits vomit or something like that. Okay, I'm getting a Super Mario 2 vibe in here. Why can't I climb? Oh, by the way, do you know the arrows that I shown you before? Like, those are like turbo buttons. That's it. There is no Why can't I get up there? Oh. Metro Mania. Press start. So we're gonna have Formula 1 car, a Lamborghini, and Ferrari. Do of copy licensing or something like copyright licensing, they just changed out the names. Let's choose the Formula one. Oh. What the hell is this song? Or music? Oh. Riding full speed. 300 kilometers. Oh, yep. Yeah, doing great, Wicked, doing great. But there are some really weird names, like Dejectal. Dejectal. What the hell is Dejectal? Oh, it's just basically a Bomberman. Wow. Seriously? Let me guess. Can collect power-ups to get more bombs, stuff like that, like the real Bomberman. Didn't see any power-up. Yep, you're not going to get anywhere. And I think I need to find the exit or something like that, so let's blow everything up. But it could change at least a different name. Ah, power-up over the flames. Yep. I must say I really love Bomberman, but this, I don't know. The song is going to get in my head. Ah, kill myself. So you can see like the list is all kind of weird homebrew games or knockoffs. Mad Christmas. Mad Christmas, okay. Mad Christmas. Evil Santa throwing candy from the clouds. And I need to catch him. Oh yeah, I need to catch him with the ball. It need to be exactly on that position, otherwise I will have power up. That's the only thing you do. Like, there are a lot of these crap homebrew games on it. Oh boy. Okay, so before we're going to do a teardown, let's take a close look at the manual. Because they said something like filling in a form, so we can get some more games. Huh. Oh, nothing here. So let's get myself a screwdriver and let's open it up. We're not going to play any games. I have seen enough. I know I was with you, but it's like freaking nightmare, like Christmas. It would be like a Christmas nightmare if you're getting a device like this. Oh boy. It's kind of clunky, the controller, but it does play okay. Ooh. Ooh, they tighten up the screws very well. I just wanted to give you a quick insight. Nowadays I love to do these teardowns. Most of the time they are not love to see, simply because they are like using the black blobs to cover up a lot of the chips. A little bit of a bummer in my opinion. Like you cannot find any information. Plug and play devices, oh boy. And the fun fact, they're still selling a lot of them on AliExpress. Maybe not particularly this one, but they're still selling a lot of them. It's big business. Alright, so you're very gentle opening it up and you can see already, oh crap. Like these controls are all soldered together, but I can be very gentle removing this cover. Yep, and still having a close look in the inside. So these wires go straight into the PCB, and I have seen a lot of these PCBs and they are like super cheap quality. The on and off switch over here. So we're going to do some more tearing down because I wanted to see what kind of chip are they freaking using over there. Oh, even these are like tightened up very well. There's no information whatsoever. It only says here DC1 minus and plus. That's it. Alright, let's remove these. It seems to be they're all using the same Parkers. Alright, okay. Let's be very gentle with this, because it's just going to be a weird mess. Oh boy, everything is falling apart now. And I don't want to rip and tear. So sadly, I try to film it, but you can see like it's attached on every single position, so there's not a lot of room for doing this. Okay, maybe if I go to flip it on this side, I can just show you that, Wicked. Yep. Okay, so, and again, like I already mentioned, like the black blob over here. There's not a lot of information. I always like to find a date when this device was made, but even that they didn't add to it. Is there anything on the PCB itself? Nope. Not here, not there. So what you're going to get is basically, this is the controller unit. You can see also have the LED then we're going to get the rubbery things that we need to put back when we're going to do an assembly. The same story, black blob, so there was no information whatsoever, that kind of information what they used for chip. And this is just basically the control board for the is this the input? It's just, yeah, the input will be, that's kind of weird, like the input of the battery compartment goes to the controller and the controller will give it to the main board itself. Weird construction if you ask me. But yeah, that's what you're going to get on the inside. Oh boy, I made a mess of it. So let's see if we can put it back together. Okay guys, so when you're looking at the TV game mobile or mobile TV game, it's an interesting device. So it's kind of bulky, it's not super comfortable, and the way they like configured everything, it's kind of weird. Like these are just turbo buttons, but some games like the Mario weird looking rabbit, whatever it was, I couldn't get even up in the ladder. I don't know, I pressed up, everything, like what a mess it is. So, and overall, I don't know if you can really enjoy playing games like these. In my opinion, TV game plug and play devices can be cool, but this is like a piece of junk with this Spectron, like 15 games. What the hell, man? I have 15 games, and the message like, if you send us an email, we're going to send you, or you get more games. What? That was more like what they're talking about. There's no SD functionality or whatever to add new games. So it's kind of rubbish. It's kind of weird. I think that they will not even sell these devices anymore. Let me know what you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. Hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family. And I will see you in the next video.